Alright, 303 Skateboard Shop from Colorado. They had these shoes in stock. They've sold out everywhere. They were sold out everywhere, and I went on their site, on their anyways, went online and their shop had them in stock. I was amazed. I was like, what? So ordered them. Swear to God, I got them in like, fuck. Ordered them, and on the 4th day after ordering them, got them less than 5 days. From Colorado all the way to Wisconsin. And yeah, pretty good, man. No padding in here. The box is flying around, but that's fine. Nobody puts packing fucking wrap, that bubble wrap anymore, apparently. So, what does it even say? Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Green Noise Watermelon. So green noise and watermelon. Got the SB tape. There they are. Oh, these are nice. I love these colors. Orange bottom. God, I wish it wasn't raining tomorrow. Well, it's raining right now. It's drizzling. And it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Pink in the inside. Look at these things. Pink swoosh, pink Nike, pink laces. Alright, let's see the other shoe. I love how skate shops always put the price on the box. Well, let's push this in more. Well, it's paper. Oh, and it's got green stitching. Nice. So it comes with another set of laces. Green ones. I don't like the green. I mean, the pink pops. Nice suede. Smell good too. These are nice, man. These watermelons, they sold out everywhere. Got them. 303 Skate Shop. Fucking awesome.